Welcome to an exciting new chapter in the multiverse, the XP system. After a trial period, the XP system officially launched on October 2nd, 2024. Now, every interaction within Multiverse brings you closer to leveling up. Whether you're exploring landmarks, visiting storefronts, browsing galleries, or even just checking out the planetarium, you're gaining XP with every step. Just hanging out with your friends, giving a high five, or sharing experiences with others can boost your XP. If you enjoy creating or enhancing your plots, you'll be rewarded even more, especially if others enjoy and interact with what you've built. Attending events is a fun way to earn XP too. The XP you gain varies by activity, so exploring what earns the most is half the adventure. Also, with the introduction of the XP system, the subscription tiers got a complete overhaul. So let's dive in on how the new subscription tiers and XP multipliers can level up your multiverse journey. Wondering about the new XP system and what it means for your journey? As of this recording, the XP system is only a week old, so this is just the beginning. Let's break it down. When you first log in, you may get a bzz bzz on your controllers, and that's alerting you that you've got a new notification. Looking at your wristwatch, you can see all the new XP indicators and notification icons. And this may be a little confusing at first, so let's look at each one. This top bar tells you what level you are right now. Next to it is your XP gain bar. As you progress through Multiverse and explore or do things, that bar will grow as you gain XP. Once it fills up, you level up. Inside of that XP bar is text telling you what your current XP gain bonus is. And this represents the subscription plan associated with your account, which you can see listed right under your current level here. Next to that is your reward multiplier. This reflects how long you've been subscribed on your current plan. The longer you've been subscribed, the higher your multiplier is and the more rewards you get each level up. You'll level up each week until you reach the max level for that tier. And that progress bar is listed right here. And of course, it's going to encourage you to upgrade your subscription to a higher tier for the highest possible rewards. There's a lot to unpack here, and we haven't even looked at our notifications yet. So let me break it down for you Barney style. Subscription tiers, how does it affect XP gain? Each subscription tier opens up unique benefits to enhance your experience. Whether you start with free, you upgrade to premium, pro, or even business, each level offers boosts that help you level up faster and earn extra rewards. Each tier has its own XP bonus. Free is the base XP. You earn normal base rate or 100% of your normal XP gain rate. Premium earns 15% more. You'll see it on your wrist displayed as 115% XP gain. Pro earns 30% more or 130% rate. And business earns 50% more, or 150% rate. What is that reward multiplier? Before we talk about what the rewards actually are, we need to understand what this rewards multiplier is for each tier. This is an extra subscription bonus that grows over time and affects how much your reward is each time you level up. Each tier starts with a base reward multiplier and increases by 1 for every week that you stay subscribed, up to a tier maximum. You can keep track of that right underneath the regular XP bar. The scales on that are free is the base amount, or times 1. Premium starts at times 2, maxing out at times 3. Pro starts at times 3, maxing out at times 12. And business starts at times 12 and goes up to times 36. Now for the actual rewards. What do you get? Well, rewards start with MetaCoin. Starting with the free account, the base amount is 50 MetaCoin per level. This is an upgrade to the 500 free MetaCoin that they've been giving out since the launch of Infiniverse. Premium subscriptions are where we start adding that multiplier to the base 50 MetaCoin amount. For the first week you're subscribed, Premium starts out at times 2. So 50 MetaCoins times 2, you'll get 100 MetaCoins per level up. Then the second week you're subscribed, your multiplier will increase by 1 to times 3, so 50 MetaCoin times 3 means you'll start getting 150 MetaCoins per level up. Since 3 is the premium tier maximum multiplier, that's as high as you'll go. Pro picks up where Premium left off at ×3. So you'll start off with a Pro account at 150 MetaCoins per level up. Week 2 bumps your multiplier to ×4 or 200 MetaCoins per level up, and so on and so forth until you hit Pro's tier maximum of ×12. This will result in you getting 600 MetaCoins per level up. So it would take you 10 weeks of being subscribed to the Pro tier to hit that maximum of 600 MetaCoins per level up. And then business starts at ×12 and grows to a maximum of 36. That's 50 MetaCoins times 36. That's 1,800 MetaCoins per level up maximum for the business accounts. And this is retroactive, so if you've been a long-time subscriber, you'll probably be starting at the maximum multiplier for your tier. Other than MetaCoin, what else do I get? Well, there are, and there will be, other rewards forthcoming. Right now, we see we're getting keys, and that multiplier applies to how many keys you get as well. Let's use me as an example. I am on the Pro subscription, and I've hit the tier maximum. If we go to look at my notifications, you'll see I get 600 MetaCoin and 12 keys every time I level up. What are those keys for? Did someone say something about random loot boxes hiding all over Metaverse and random places at random times? I wonder what's in them. I could have swore I heard something about mushrooms and potions. Wait. Is that an inventory icon I see on my watch? So what if you've got multiple subscriptions on the same account? Well, it takes the highest one as your default for XP gain, but you do get a little bump for any extra subscriptions you have on that account. Each additional premium subscription adds an extra 5%, each additional Pro adds an extra 10%, and each additional business adds an extra 15% XP. So here's an example. Let's say you have 3 premium and 1 business subscription on the same account. You start with the highest subscription tier, that 150% XP from business. Then you add in the 3 premium accounts. That gives you an extra 15% total. So now you're earning XP at 165 rate. Are you curious about your current XP level? Just check your risk menu anytime to see real-time updates on your XP and that rewards multiplier. This is just the beginning. The devs report they have a bunch more in the works. No ETA just yet, but they said there are some awesome and quirky rewards being developed. So be sure and stop by the updates room for the latest devcast. For more tutorials, check out my Hitchhiker's Guide to the Infiniverse stores all over Infiniverse. You can also find a direct door to it right here in the Metaverse room in Grand Central.